Today we're going to bring a desktop CD player with a speaker, and it has a CD player and it also has Bluetooth capability. Now it does come with an actual power connection, which is a Type C. It comes with some control and of course instruction, a 3.5 jack. If you want to connect other speakers or other accessories, you can do that. To open the CD player, you just click on it once and that's it. Now this is perfect if you have CDs around the house, or if you want to play your music with your actual phone or any kind of device that has Bluetooth. Now let's take a look at the actual system itself. You got your power button here. You got your actual power connection, which is this Type C. And then you got an extra USB if you want to charge other devices. You can do that through here. Auxiliary out. This is a 3.5 jack that you connect there. And then on the top, you got the actual display mount here. Mode is going to change the system from CD player to Bluetooth. Now on Bluetooth, it's very simple. It's going to come as CD player. Now you have your minus, you got your plus, you got your back, your pause and play, and your forward. So you could change any kind of settings that you want. Now, like I said, opening, closing, the whole system is an actual speaker. I like the way that it sounds. It actually takes on the whole space as a speaker. And this is perfect if you're going to take it to an office, if you want to just sit by a corner or just having your kids' room. And it's perfect if they're doing their homework and they just need to listen to music or just to relax, or maybe Mozart or something like that. This is perfect for that. So I like the whole stand. It just stands by itself. It has some rubber ends on the bottom. Very simple to use, very simple to set up too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.